What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the tail lamp brake light assembly on an 88 to 99 GM or Chevrolet, Silverado, Yukon, Tahoe, Blazer, pretty much any SUV or truck of that era. So you've probably noticed your tail lights aren't working, so the first thing you're going to want to do is to take off the assembly. There's two screws. There's one here on the inside side. If you have a SUV, you'll have to open up your hatch, but on the truck there's just accessible right here when you open the tailgate. There's just two screws, Phillips. Then we should be able to pull out the whole assembly. It just comes right out. And then there's a clip right here, a wire clip, wire connection clip. You're just gonna unsnap that, and we just pull that. Now the whole assembly right here, to gain access to the bulbs, you're gonna need a ratchet, quarter inch socket. There's one here at the bottom, tiny little things, and one more right here. So there's just two. Okay, so then this whole circuit board assembly comes out, and that's where your bulbs are at. So if you check the filament out, pull that out, and we look at it, the filament's good, so we know this bulb's good. So it's not just the bulb. If it was just the filament burned out, it'd be black, and the filaments would be, it's like a little spring, and it wouldn't go all the way across. It'd be burned out. So we know it's not that. It's these circuit boards. These things go out all the time. Pop out all your bulbs. Good idea if you haven't changed these bulbs to get new ones. Then you're going to want to take your new tail light circuit board is what they call it, the assembly board. I'll put a link down in the description for a new one of these. These are specific for right side and left side, passenger and driver, and they run about $20. You can find them online for cheaper, but your local auto store will have them for about $20. So then we're just going to pop our bulbs back in. Make sure you don't get grease on the bulbs. Go ahead and clean them off, or it'll make them fail faster. Then we're going to drop that assembly back into our tail light. Then we're going to put those 1/4 inch nuts. We're going to tighten both of those down. It's only going into plastic, so don't over tighten these. Bring our tail light over here to our wire clip, and we're going to make sure when we plug it in that you have to kind of push it in real hard till it snaps and locks in. We'll slide our tail light assembly back in there. It has hooks on the side, top and bottom. Those go into the holes first. And then it just snaps in. Now we're going to go ahead and turn our ignition on. We're going to turn our headlights on. We'll come back over to our assembly and we'll pump the brakes inside, see if it's working. Alright, perfect. Then all it's left to do is put in those two Phillips head screws. Alright, now you're done, guys. You got a working taillights again. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, do me a favor and please subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself, guys. Take care.